production value! Carrie, you put film in the camera, right?
I didn't put it in.
What? Put it in! Joe, get the mic ready! Go! Costume!
I will.
Get that tripod set up! Preston, get in position!
I will.
Marty, go! Marty, you know your line! Carrie, get that camera ready! Go!
Shut up. We'll start on Allison and pan to the train,
Oh,
right?
God, I hope we don't miss it!
Shut up! I am trying!
Get that set up! Positions! Ready, start filming. Be extra loud when the train passes by. Here we go. And action!
Look, I'm gonna stay here and investigate. I think it'd be safer if you left town for a couple of days.
John, I don't like it. This case, these murders.
What do you want me to do? Go to Michigan with you?
Mackinac Island